Hi guys, this is Vanessa, the Pinay Couponer, and welcome to my Walgreens haul for the week of July 4 to July 10. And these are all digital and printable coupons. So we are already outside Walgreens, guys, and my little one is already napping. So let's go grab those deals. So these are all the items that I grabbed in store, and only small haul, guys, because I was supposed to pick up my curbside order, but their system is down. I think they cannot ring my items, so I cannot have my online order, and they asked me to come back, so I'll just go back. And these are just the items that I grabbed while I was in store. So the Colgate, this Colgate is on sale for $3.99, and when you buy two, you get $4 Walgreens cash. And we have a $4 for two Colgate digital coupon. So total for the two is $7.98. Total after coupons is $3.98, but we will get back $4 Walgreens cash, making this completely free. And then the Irish Spring, guys, they are on sale for $3.99, and don't forget to clip the digital coupon for this, guys. It's $3.50, making this only 49 cents. It's already a great deal for a 6-bar Irish Spring soap. And then I grabbed the soft soap hand soap deal. They are on sale for $1.99. And when you buy four, you get $4 Walgreens cash. And we also have an Ibotta rebate for this, guys. And I have a printable coupon that I printed from the website, guys, but my store only accept one, or the computer beep, guys. I don't know why. The coupon says limit one coupon per purchase and no more than 2 identical coupons, so I used 2, but this one beep and only one was accepted. So let's say I have only 50 cents, guys, then total of the 4 is $7.96. so my total after coupons was $7.46, and then I got back the $4 Walgreens cash rewards and submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $2, making my final cost $1.46 for 4 hand soap, or 36 cents each. Not bad, guys. It's already a great deal for a hand soap. So here's the receipt for the Irish Spring and the Colgate. So Irish Spring is ringing $3.99, and the Colgate total, the 4.8 ounce, 2 is $7.98, and my digital coupon came off, bringing my subtotal to $4.47, and then I redeemed Walgreens cash, so I only paid 37 cents. And I earned $4 Walgreens cash for buying 2 Colgate. Then here's my receipt for the soap hand soap. So the lavender one is $1.99 each. Total is $3.98, and then the other one also $3.98. Then I rolled a register rewards for this, guys, $5 to lower my out-of-pocket. And then here's my 50-cent printable coupon, bringing my subtotal to $2.46. Then I redeemed Walgreens cash, so I only paid 6 cents. Then I earned $4 Walgreens cash for buying 4 of the soap hand soap. So total for all of these, guys, is $19.93, and the total coupons used was $8, making my total after coupons $11.93. Then I earned $4 Walgreens cash for buying Colgate, $4 Walgreens cash for buying soap hand soap, and then $2 from Ibotta for buying the soap, making my final cost for all of these $1.93, or 27 cents each. So that's it all, guys, for my first Walgreens haul for the week of July 4 to July 10. Please stay tuned for my second haul because I'll be picking up my curbside order and I will show you the deals. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up. And if you like to learn more about couponing and follow my journey of savings, please consider to subscribe and also hit that bell so you will not miss any of my videos. Thank you so much and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.